EGCDE408 is a charging and discharging maintenance equipment designed for the characteristics of new energy vehicle batteries, which can efficiently complete the charging, discharging, and leveling of the battery pack module, improve the efficiency of battery pack maintenance, and is suitable for all kinds of lithium batteries and nickel metal hydride batteries. EGCDE408 adopts the most advanced charging and discharging test technology, which can avoid the interference to the MS system. Charging maximum current on 100 amperes, maximum power 4.4 kilowatts. Discharging maximum current on 100 amperes, maximum power 7.2 kilowatts. Charging and discharging voltage DC to 400 volts Y design, suitable for charging and discharging tests for modules of different voltage levels. 10-inch touchscreen, large screen display is clearer and more convenient to operate. Indicator lights show the status of the device. Standby status bright green light. Work status bright blue light. Work is completed blue, and so on to green light. Equipment failure or shutdown warning is red light flashing. EGCDE408 power on self-test function in the device. In the device, power on automatically check whether there is a hardware failure. If there is a fault, automatically report errors. A new electronic manual has been added, which allows users to view the manual directly on the device, eliminating the need for paper manuals, and can be updated over the internet. New electronic wiring diagram is added, which automatically pops up before the device starts running, prompting the user to check whether the wiring is correct. EGCDE408 adopts a new charging and discharging logic, automatically determining the charging or discharging needs of the module. During the charging and discharging process, it obtains the group and the voltage of each single core in real time, and monitors and displays the voltage of each single core, group and voltage, group and current, charging and discharging capacity, etc. It supports the collection of voltage of up to 72 cores, and it can set up the protection thresholds of current and voltage of cores, preventing overcharging and overdischarging, and protecting the single cores. Support module temperature monitoring function, real-time temperature monitoring, over temperature automatic stop working, maximum support 12-way temperature acquisition, multiple safety protection, support reverse polarity, high temperature, short circuit overcurrent, fan failure, high voltage, high current, and other warning prompts to protect the hardware security. Charge and discharge record support curve graph, bar graph, two kinds of data display. Support historical data to Excel file exported to UDISC or PDF file via email. QR code form to share data.